DS18 SXE-2000.4D review. Tiny amp, savage power for your car audio. You're cruising, but your sound system feels flat. The bass is weak, the highs are dull, and every note sounds like it's fighting through static. You've wasted money on gear that promised clarity but delivered distortion. Hours spent adjusting settings, only to be left with disappointment. The vibe is ruined, and your motivation to upgrade is slipping away. Then reality hits harder. Deadlines to finish your custom build, friends expecting concert-level sound, stress building as your system overheats and cuts out mid-drive. Burnout creeps in as you realize opportunities for perfect sound keep slipping away. That dream soundstage? Missed. That pounding bassline? Lost. Frustration mounts, and the fear of wasting more time and money starts to sting. The DS18 SXE-2000.4D/RD is not just another car amplifier. It's a compact powerhouse engineered to unleash crystal-clear, chest-thumping sound. Delivering 4 by 150 watts RMS at 4 ohms, 160 watts by 4 at 2 ohms, and up to 2000 watts peak, it powers your speakers with clean, controlled authority. Its Class D full-range design ensures high efficiency, running cooler and lighter than traditional amps, while drawing less strain from your vehicle's electrical system. The Bridgeable configuration allows flexible setups, letting you push subs with 320 watts by 2 at 4 ohms for jaw-dropping bass. With variable high-pass and low-pass filters, bass boost, and gain control, you have full command of your sound. The compact chassis fits easily under seats or tight installs, while heavy-duty terminals keep connections secure. Advanced protection circuitry defends against overheating, shorts, and overloads, ensuring long-term reliability. Picture this. You're blasting your playlist on a summer drive, and unlike cheap amps that cut out, the S/E-2000.4D stays cool and steady. Every note sharp, every beat clean. It's compact, versatile, and powerful, designed for true audiophiles who refuse compromise. What makes the DS18 SXE-2000.4D/RD legendary isn't just specs. It's the way it transforms the entire driving experience. Analysts call it a power density marvel, noting its ability to deliver massive RMS output without draining your car's system. Influencers rave. This amp packs a serious punch, runs cool even at high volumes. Car audio pros highlight its precise crossover tuning and Class D efficiency, which let you sculpt sound like a live engineer. Real users back it up. One truck owner said, "I tucked it under my seat. Sound is night and day. Loud, clear, no distortion." Another praised its bridging power. "This amp is a beast. Tight bass, clean mids, crisp highs. The thermal and overload protection gives peace of mind, even on sweltering summer days." And the compact design? A lifesaver for small cars, making big sound possible without bulky installs. Isn't it time your ride felt like a rolling concert hall? With the S/E-2000.4D, you don't just hear music, you feel it in your chest, your fingertips, your soul. Every track turns into an adrenaline rush, every drive into a personal live show. Don't wait. Limited stock means only a few get to unlock this level of performance. Thousands of drivers have already upgraded their rides with DS18, leaving weak, factory sound in the dust. This is your shot to supercharge your system with clean power, compact design, and bulletproof protection. Secure yours today before it's gone. Don't miss out. Your next drive deserves the soundtrack it was meant for. Turn the key, feel the power, and let the road become your stage.